So one method is to take a bowl of hot water, then the acetone remover, place it, fill it up halfway in a Ziploc baggie, set it over into the bowl of water, and then soak your nails about 10 to 20 minutes using this method. Alright, in this second method, you're going to use these soak-off caps. I got these at Dollar Tree. Okay, after I tested out the sizing, I am going to start cutting off the fake nails, cutting them down to the tips of my fingers. Next, you would just want to get your acetone remover and your cotton balls. Now, tear the cotton balls in half if they're not small, so that they're able to fit inside the silicone caps. But first, just place the cotton ball on top of your nail and then insert them into the silicone caps. Now you can leave these soak on for 10 to 20 minutes. Repeat the steps if necessary. I left mine on for 10 minutes. So I'm starting to take these off, and you can see the nail starting to deteriorate. And then you'll just take your nail clippers and start scraping the excess nail off. When that's finished, I'm using this nail filer that I got in a nail file kit from Walmart, and I'm going to do that all over my other nails. Next, I'm going to use a 7-part nail filer that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to go through all 7 steps to make the nail nice and shiny. Next, you're going to get some extra virgin olive oil or coconut oil and rub that into your fingertips and fingers and nails to add moisture back into them. And once that's finished, now you can repeat all these steps on your next hand. Thank you for watching.